doing the Beer Barrel Polka, a great Oktoberfest line dance that I have adjusted for my Monday line dance classes. So come along with me, take an adventure, a dance adventure back to Oktoberfest with the Beer Barrel Polka. Remember to like and subscribe to our line and check out all our fun videos at www.adventuresindance.com. Step 1. 4 steps to the right, toe heel and triple step, then repeat to the left. It looks like this. Simple version. 1, 2, 3, 4, toe, heel, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, toe, heel, triple step. Step 2, triple steps forward, walk around turn, triple steps forward, rock step. It looks like this. Easy version. If triple steps bother you, do 1 hold, 2 hold, 3 turn, 4, 5, 6, rock, step. 3rd step, down, up. It looks like this. Right foot down, up, point left, down, point right. With my back to you. Down, up, down, up. Repeat from the beginning. When you put it all together, it looks like this.
Roll out the barrel, we'll have a barrel of fun. Roll out the barrel, we got the blues on the run. Sing Blue Carrera, ring out a song of good cheer. Now the time to roll the barrel, for the gang's all here.
Step 1. 4 steps to the right, toe heel and triple step, then repeat to the left. It looks like this. Version with turn. 1, half turn 2, half turn 3, stomp 4, toe, heel, triple step. 1, half turn 2, half turn 3, stomp, toe, heel, triple step. Step 2, triple steps forward, walk around turn, triple steps forward, rock step. It looks like this. Easy you would have, or complicate one more time. So I have 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 3rd step, down, up. It looks like this. Right foot down, up, point left, down, point right. When you put it all together, it looks like this.
Roll out the barrel, we'll have a barrel of fun. Roll out the barrel, we've got the blues on the run. Sing Blue Carrera, ring out a song of good cheer. Now it's time to roll the barrel, for the gang's all here.
Drinking and dancing go hand in hand, so the Beer Barrel Polka is the perfect song to dance to when drinking at Oktoberfest. Polka is the traditional dance for this song, but for fun I adapted a line dance to the Beer Barrel Polka for Oktoberfest this year. Polka is rumored to have started as a half-step dance invited by a Czech nanny encouraging her young wards to dance. The Czech peasant dance known as the polka or half-step became the rage in 1835. Once polka was featured at the Odeon Theater in Paris, 1840, polka mania spread worldwide. It is popular to this day and featured in country western competitions internationally. During the Roaring Twenties, Jaromír Vejvoda composed this happy little instrumental polka. By the mid-30s, lyrics were added. With the invasion of Czechoslovakia by the Germans, many Czech citizens fled the country, taking this happy tune with them.
By 1939, the Andrews sisters recorded an English version of the Beer Barrel Polka. It was then recorded in many languages during World War II and was popular with soldiers on both sides of the conflict. Not only is the Beer Barrel Polka at the top of the Oktoberfest playlist, but it is a popular song for sporting events. It is played for the Milwaukee Brewers, the University of Wisconsin, the Green Bay Packers, and the San Jose Giants home games. So, roll out the barrel. We'll have a barrel of fun learning this Beer Barrel Polka line dance. Remember to like and subscribe and check out all of our fun videos at www.adventuresindance.com.